My name is Julio Vargas and I come from Rich Point. And the reason why I'm taking this course is because I want to take this field to the next level and go underwater. After I did this for a year, I continued mastering the skill and achieving my goals, and then it just became easier after that. And so my parents were like, do you want to take this further, maybe into college? I was like, definitely. It's something I love to do, and it's easy, and it's a skill really. I saw a movie once and it was really cool. It inspired me to do it, and he actually became one of the best welders out there to do it, and so he kind of pushed me to do that really. With this program being here, I don't know what I would be doing, what courses I would be taking. So with this class being here, it just brought, as a senior, I don't even have to take this course again. I volunteered to take this course again. It is very helpful.
You know, you gotta see a fire, put water on it, you gotta know a lot of it, you gotta know what type it is. These are your turnout pants or your bunker pants. Thermal layers here, which are under, right here. Make sure you don't burn easy. You get your suspenders to keep your pants up. Your protective hood, make sure nothing gets in your, comes down here. Turnout coat, which has 3 layers for moisture, thermal, and Nomex. Your helmet to protect your head. Your gloves. I heard it was going to help me later on in the future, and this is something I want to do because I like the fact that you get to save people, help all the time. You got to stay fit, so that's one reason why I got attracted to it. If it's electrical, you got to make sure you know if it's still powered, if it's not, what to use, how to put it out. Same thing with construction, what material they use, all that stuff. You got to learn that, make sure you know it.